Grammar is one of the most important topics of syllabic knowledge. 1st of December it should be shown to class students by considering the basic level. Here's one. Classroom grammar needs to be conveyed to students about syllabic and word lecture. Each word consists of different syllables, and these syllables come together to allow the use of words December in order to understand syllabic knowledge well. First of all, students should be well told what the syllabic was. At the same time, this topic can be easily taught on different examples. Classroom grammar, syllabic and word lecture. Let's start with what a syllable means. We call the sounds that come out of our mouth with a movement, syllables. In this regard, all vowels and monophonic syllables are composed. At the same time, syllables consist of at least one and at most 4 letters. A combination of letters can result in the formation of more than one syllable. Decipherment of the letters. Spelling through words is handled through a certain pattern. Now let's explain this with an example. Teacher. Now let's find out how many letters this word consists of. How many times do our mouths move, especially when we say this word? Item read men. As you can see, when we said this word, our mouth moved 3 times. In other words, we can say that the word teacher consists of 3 syllables. So, what are monosyllabic words? Now let's better understand this by giving an example. Rose. When we say that word, our mouth moves once. In other words, because this word comes out of our mouths at once, the word rose is a monosyllabic word. In this way, it is easy to understand how many syllables there are using many more different words. There are some tricks when explaining syllabic knowledge to students. By learning these tricks, it is possible to understand syllabic knowledge more easily. For example, to understand how many syllables there are in a word, we can look at the number of vowels. Because any word has as many syllables as the number of vowels. School equals school. As can be seen, there are 2 vowels in this word and there are 2 syllables in the same way. To give another example. Television equals te, le, vis. Ion here is also 4 vowels in this word. When you look at it, it seems that there are 4 syllables. In this way, syllabic knowledge over many other different words can be effectively and easily explained for students. It is both an easy subject and an important grammar information that students must learn.